In this video, let's make this swirl cut transition in DaVinci Resolve. So let's take an adjustment clip. Let's keep the adjustment clip 10 frames long, 5 frames before and 5 frames after where we want our transition to be. Okay, so let's go in the Fusion. Let's press Shift Space and let's add directional blur. Add. Now let's change the type to zoom. Go on the frame 0. Let's make a keyframe on length and angle. Let's come on frame number 5. Change the angle to 20 and length to 0.1. Now let's go on the last frame. Change the value of angle to 0 and length to 0. This is Swirl Cut Transition in DaVinci Resolve. My name is Amir and I will see you in the next video.